this is a gimmick I picked up lately. Instructions. Worldwide warranty service. Okay. I thought it was smaller when I bought it, but it comes with a 5000 amp battery. Then it comes with a, here you plug your USB cable and you can charge your phone, and this port will charge the battery. And if you need some light, ta-da! I have literally no idea how long this will be, this, and how bright it is, but I think it's fairly okay for, let's say, camping or something will serve a dual purpose. Oh, there are some birds. But yeah. If nothing else, then it's an interesting gimmick.